Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add bank in FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch in a browser of your choice. Okay, so once you do that, in the search bar, go ahead and type freshbooks.com if you're new to FreshBooks, and that's going to walk you into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add bank in FreshBooks. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel. We have a couple of options which include dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, and then you have apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Go ahead and click on bank connections. The bank connection is going to open you up to the bank connections window where we can now select any bank that we want to add into FreshBooks. So over here it says choose your bank to get started. So go ahead and select any of the banks here, or don't see a bank. We support over 14,000 financial institutions. Now you can click on find your bank to find any other bank of your choice. Here, continue. You check the box. That's check-in. Continue. Okay. So over here, you can now select the bank of your choice, or you can use the search bar to search in the bank. So let's say I'm using the RBC. So I'm just going to click on that and add the client card or username and the password and click on submit. So after doing that, just follow through the step-by-step processes and you'll be able to add this RBC to your FreshBooks. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.